In a real emergency, like being lost deep in the woods without gas, electricity, or cooking utensils, the simplest materials can become the most useful survival tools. That's why I started collecting old tin cans instead of throwing them away. Tin cans are lightweight, easy to cut, drill, and assemble, so even with basic hand tools, you can quickly build a compact survival stove without much effort. The best part is that these materials are virtually free, readily available anywhere, and light enough to carry in a backpack. Once completed, the stove is compact, portable, and practical for camping, survival situations, or emergency heating. Now let's test it in real-world conditions. Excellent! The flame burns surprisingly strongly and steadily. Even with direct wind, the fire remains stable and doesn't easily go out. I used it to boil water, and the water heated up much faster than expected, which shows that this little stove generates a lot of heat. What I really like is that this stove is reusable many times, and when needed, you can make another one from old tin cans in a short amount of time. It's simple, inexpensive, reliable, and extremely useful in emergency situations. You can also use tin cans to make different stoves with different fuels, without relying on traditional fuels like gas, wood, or during power outages.